Before we store these components, we need to check the inventory list. Do you see the integrated circuits? Are these the small black chips? Yes, but we need to verify the part number before putting them in the storage area. Oh, this one doesn't match. Good catch. If the part number is incorrect, we might use the wrong component in production. So, what do? We label it as a mismatched item and report it to the warehouse manager. Okay, what about these capacitors? Let's check their specifications. We need to confirm the voltage rating and capacitance. This one says 25 volt and 100 microfarad. Is that okay? Yes, that matches the order. Now let's place them in the correct storage bin. Got it. And these resistors? We check their resistance value and color bands. Oh, the color bands are like a secret code. Exactly. It tells us the resistance value in ohms. Alright, I'll put them in the right storage location. Oh no, what do we do now? First, don't panic. We carefully pick up the components and check for any damages. Oh, this IC has bent pins. That's the problem. We can't use damaged components in production. We need to put it in the rejected items bin and report it. Okay, I'll be more careful next time. Now let's update the inventory system so we know how many we have. Done. This is easier than I thought. As long as you check everything carefully, it is. But what if we store something in the wrong bin? That could cause confusion and production delays. We always double check. Got it. Hey, what are these small packets? Those are desiccant pads. They absorb moisture to protect sensitive components. Oh, so we keep them with ICs? Yes, especially for the components that can be damaged by humidity. Alright, I'll put one in each bin. Let's check the temperature and humidity in the storage room. We have to check that too. Yes, if the humidity is too high, it can damage electronic parts. The humidity is 70%. Is that okay? No, that's too high. We need to turn on the dehumidifier. Done. Now it's going down. Great. Now let's finish by scanning the barcodes on each bin. Oh, I love scanning things. It's not just for fun. This updates the system so we know exactly where everything is stored. Got it. This is like detective work. Yes, being careful in inventory management helps the whole factory run smoothly. Now let's practice speaking. What do we check before storing components? Why is the part number important? What do we do if we find a mismatched item? What do we check for capacitors? How do we read the value of the resistor? What happens if we store components in the wrong storage bin? What should we do if we drop a box of components? What if a component has a bent bin? Why do we use desiccant pads? What should we do if the humidity is too high? Why do we scan barcodes?